Hey Ukulele Squad, welcome back. First things first, we're gonna start off with some tuning. You can get this really awesome app on your device, and it's called Ukulele Tuning. It's a cool thing. It's a cool background. And it's this. Press the second button that says tuner on it, and it will look like this. And then grab your ukulele, and then first start with the first string, which is D, G, 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 G. Yeah, and that sounds like this. Once you have that covered, we're gonna do the second string, which is C, and it sounds like this. Yeah, just sound like that. And then, once you have that covered, just do the third string, which is E, and it should sound like this. Once it's in the green, that's how you know it's in the right tune. So that's how you know. Now we're gonna do the last string, which is A, and it should sound like this. And there you have it. That's how you tune your ukulele. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.